Let's be honest, electric vehicle batteries have gotten a bad rap. Myths about them breaking down too quickly or making EVs financial liabilities seem to spread like wildfire on social media. There's this idea floating around that EV batteries only last a few years before they're done, leaving the car practically worthless. But is that really the case? Not really. A new study analyzed data from over 7,000 EVs and found some surprising results that completely shatter these myths. So, how long do EV batteries really last? And what does this mean for EV owners and the environment? Stick with me, because we're about to dig into some fascinating insights about the future of electric mobility. For years, EV batteries have been the subject of endless speculation. Critics often point to two types of battery aging: calendar aging and cyclical aging. Calendar aging happens naturally over time, even if the car isn't being used, while cyclical aging comes from charging and discharging during regular use. The fear is that these processes would rapidly degrade EV batteries, leaving owners with a hefty replacement bill. But here's the reality: EV batteries are far tougher than you think. Researchers at P3 Group and Aviloo Battery Diagnostics analyzed 7,000 EVs, ranging from brand new to those with over 300,000 kilometers, that's about 186,000 miles, on the odometer. Their findings were astonishing. EV batteries retain most of their capacity even after years of use. On average, battery health, or what experts call the state of health, is around 90% after 100,000 kilometers, about 62,000 miles. Even beyond 200,000 kilometers, or 124,000 miles, most batteries still perform at over 80% capacity. This completely debunks the myth that EV batteries rapidly become unusable. In fact, the study didn't just rely on lab tests. It was based on real-world data from everyday drivers, making it one of the most reliable assessments we've seen. So what's the secret behind this longevity? The study highlighted several factors that contribute to the impressive lifespan of EV batteries. Smart battery management systems. Modern EVs come with advanced battery management systems that carefully control charging and discharging. This reduces stress on the battery and slows down degradation over time. Better battery chemistry. Advances in lithium-ion technology have significantly improved durability. For example, a protective layer called the SEI, that's short for solid electrolyte interface, forms early in the battery's life and helps stabilize its performance. Usage habits. How you use and charge your EV matters. For instance, keeping the battery's charge level between 20% and 80% can significantly slow down wear and tear. And while fast charging is convenient, it's better to save it for occasional use. Built-in buffers. Many EV manufacturers include a buffer zone in their batteries, which protects the cells from fully charging or discharging. This helps ensure that the battery's usable capacity remains steady even as it ages. The bottom line? EV batteries are designed not just to perform well, but to endure for the long haul. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. The data reveals a clear trend. Initial drop. EV batteries tend to lose capacity more quickly during the first 30,000 kilometers. That's roughly 19,000 miles. This is normal and happens as the SEI layer forms inside the battery. It's part of the aging process and actually helps stabilize the battery over time. Stable performance. After this initial phase, the rate of degradation slows significantly. By the time an EV hits 100,000 kilometers, about 62,000 miles, the average state of health is around 90%. Beyond that, the decline is almost negligible. Longevity at high mileage. Even at 200,000 kilometers or 124,000 miles, many batteries still retain over 80% of their capacity. In some cases, they're even closer to 90%, depending on how the vehicle was used and maintained. One thing to note is what researchers call survivorship bias. This means the data mainly reflects vehicles that are still on the road, so it doesn't include batteries that might have failed prematurely. However, other data sources, like ADAC, a leading automobile association, show that battery failures are rare and typically occur within the warranty period. Now let's talk about why this is such great news for EV owners. Here are the key takeaways. Warranties that go the distance. Most EV manufacturers offer battery warranties of up to 8 years or 160,000 kilometers, about 100,000 miles. Some brands, like Lexus, even guarantee their batteries for 1 million kilometers. With batteries retaining capacity well beyond these thresholds, you're unlikely to face unexpected costs. A second life for batteries. Once an EV battery is no longer suitable for driving, it doesn't have to go to waste. Many batteries can be repurposed for stationary energy storage, like powering homes or businesses. This second life can extend their usefulness by another decade or more. Improved resale value. One major concern for EV owners has been how well their cars hold value over time. Thanks to the slow rate of battery degradation, used EVs are proving to retain value better than skeptics predicted. This makes buying an EV a smarter investment than ever before. Lower long-term costs. Over its lifetime, an EV's durable battery can make it more cost-effective than a traditional gas-powered car. Fewer repairs and replacements mean more money stays in your pocket. If you're wondering how to get the most out of your EV battery, here are some tips based on the study. Avoid extreme heat or cold. Try to park your EV in shaded or climate-controlled areas. Extreme temperatures can accelerate battery wear. Charge strategically. Keep your battery's charge level between 20% and 80% for daily use. Fast charging is fine occasionally, but it's better to rely on regular charging for most of your needs. Drive gently. Smooth acceleration and moderate speeds reduce stress on the battery. Think of it as driving smart, not fast. Plan for long breaks. If you won't be using your EV for a while, store it with the battery charged to somewhere between 10% and 50%. This can prevent unnecessary strain on the cells. These small adjustments can add years to your battery's life and help you maximize your EV's value. So, what do 7,000 EVs tell us? They tell us that EV batteries are incredibly durable, far exceeding the expectations set by early skeptics. With proper care, these batteries can last for decades, not just for driving, but for second life uses like home energy storage. And when their time finally comes, recycling ensures that their materials continue to serve a purpose. If you've been hesitant to go electric because of battery concerns, it's time to put those worries to rest. The future of electric mobility is bright, reliable, and here to stay. I also want to take a moment to thank the researchers at P3 Group and Aviloo Battery Diagnostics for their incredible work. Their study, along with the articles I referenced, provided the foundation for this video. You'll find links to the study and those articles in the description below, so feel free to explore them yourself. What do you think? Are these findings enough to make you consider switching to an electric vehicle? Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you.